a method that we use, which is called Be Well Science. BE stands for Balanced Energy. We heal on the 5 levels of health. We don't just see diseases, for example, or medical conditions as a physical condition. So, it involves 4 other levels, which is the physical yung usual, diba? Vitality, emotional, mental, and spiritual. So, all these 5 levels of health should be balanced for us to really attain what we will probably call wellness or wholeness. But typically, ang nangyayari sa atin, we experience disease at the physical level. Sinisipon tayo, inuubo, or nagkakabukol, di ba? Nagkakaroon tayo ng mga sakit sa katawan. Pero minsan, nagsimula yan energetic. And usually, ngayon, tinatapos ko yung specialization ko sa cancer. Marami akong nakikita with the clients that I have been working with na a lot of it has an emotional, kumbaga, starting point.
Opo.
May mga emotional experience na pinagdaanan. So, pag tinanong mo lang, kunyari, nag-i-interview ka for the initial part of the engagement. Tapos, pag tinanong mo, when were you diagnosed? Ganyan ng cancer, ganyan, ganitong year, ganyan. Tapos, ano nangyari during that time? Tapos, and they will recall na, okay, yung asawa ko naging ganito, or naging... So, may mga emotional experiences na sometimes nagpe-precede doon sa maybe that year, many years back, na ipon, tapos nagiging sakit eventually. And so, sa healing, kasama yun. Hindi lang basta tanggalin ang bukol, pero alamin bakit nagkabukol. And meron tayong mga energy centers in our body. Sa yoga anatomy, ang tawag dyan, chakra. Okay, so meron tayong mga chakras that regulate our organs and our systems. And minsan yung chakras nagiging underactive, minsan naman sobrang bilis. So parang, kumbaga kung kotse, minsan papasok mo sa kasa para i-tune up, minsan may tornilyo maluwag, merong masikip. So pag masikip, adjust. Pagka maluwag, adjust. So ganun din yung mga chakras in a simplistic way, You adjust them kung ano yung tamang level nila. Merong tinatawag na profile na ganito dapat yung proportion ng mga chakras para mas balance yung health. So, that's how the healing happens.
Opo.
Ask Dina.